welcome back to my channel Naturally Beautiful, and today's video is going to be about a face mask. By the way guys, please excuse me for my hairs. I know that this is one of my bad hair day, and also being the reason that I've not washed my hairs from 1 week, maybe that is the reason why my hair has become like this. And also guys, it is raining in Bangalore from 1 week continuously, and that's why I kept on postponing my videos, but it didn't happen. So maybe you're gonna hear a bit of rain noise, so please let that go. So today's face mask is something that you can store and keep with yourself for 1 year. You just need to take one wet ingredient, mix it up and apply it on your face. Talking about the ingredients that we are going to use, we are going to use 4 to 5 ingredients, and all of them have different uses. But guys, I have been using this mask since I was 13, I guess, and this is the first mask which I started using. Obviously it is going to contain sandalwood powder and multani mitti. These two are the base ingredients, and I think everyone out there will surely have this. Anyway, if you don't have any one of those ingredients, you can skip it. But guys, multani mitti and sandalwood powder is amazing. So you need to have these two ingredients as a must at your home. So let me tell you about the ingredients. So the first ingredient is multani mitti, and the second ingredient that I am using is sandalwood powder. The third ingredient is coffee. I have taken instant coffee from Sunrise. And next ingredient, or the wet ingredient, is lemon. Guys, lemon is not an option in this. You have to use lemon. And last but not the least is curd. This is an remedy that I have been using since my childhood. The only one ingredient that I have added is rose petals powder from Good Vibes. This is the new one that I'm going to add. And guys, trust me, this is a mask which is going to suit every possible skin out there. It does not have much of side effects, and it shows really good results. So quickly, let's show me that how you can make a dry mask out of it and store it for about a year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this is chandan powder, sandalwood powder. So I'm going to take about 1 spoon of it over here, and then I'm going to add it in a bowl. Here I'm using a spoon just to show you the ratio, not how much you're going to make and store. So 1 spoon of sandalwood powder, 1 spoon of multani mitti, and 1 spoon of rose petals powder. So as you all would have understood, the ratio is 1:1:1. So you can make this and keep it at your home. Yeah guys, so I've added the 3 ingredients, and now I'm going to give this dry ingredients a very nice mix. You can add certain things to it, like if your skin is really oily, you can add neem leaf powder, or if your skin, you can add many things, but I think this is a basic one and you can really make it and keep it. So here is the powder. I have made it, and now we are going to store it in this for a while. Talking about the benefits, guys, I don't think so I need to stress on the health benefit or the skin benefits that chandan powder or multani mitti is going to give, because trust me guys, this is one thing that has been used from ages. These two are being used. The only reason why I have taken rose petals is rose is known to balance the pH level of our skin. So that was only one main reason I've included it. Also, it gives you a very, soft and plumpier look. It just works as rose water. If you don't have it, you can use rose water, but rose petal is always good to go. So now quickly, let's show you how to make this mask. For that mask, what you're going to do is, what the dry ingredients that you have mixed and kept for about a year, you just need to take about 1.5 spoon, add it in a bowl. I'm taking 1.5 spoon over here. And then I'm going to add coffee. So you guys might be asking me why you hadn't added coffee, because it is also a dry ingredient. But guys, coffee tends to rust off, it becomes rusty. So that is why you cannot add it into a dry ingredient and keep it. Maybe you can add preservatives, but I didn't want to. So whenever you're making, you can open a 1 rupee sachet coffee, instant coffee, and you can add it. So I've added about, again, half a spoon of coffee, and I'm adding it into it. Next we are going to take lemon juice. I'm again taking about 1 spoon of lemon juice. I'm adding it into it. And then next is curd. So curd has lactic acid, and I've made a separate video on the benefits of curd. So if you want to do, check it out. I'll put the link in the description box. So we're now going to make it neither too thin nor too thick mass. So I've added all the ingredients, and now we're going to mix it and bring it into a paste consistency. We want it into a normal paste consistency. Neither too thick, neither too thin. Yeah guys, now you can see this is the consistency that we have got it into. It's pretty good. Now let's start applying it. Again, you can apply it with your hands, with a brush. I'm using a paintbrush over here, and this is what I've been using. I can't lie to you people. Also guys, as you all can see, my face is completely raw. I could have applied a Master Stroke cream and I've told my skin is glowing, this, that. Guys, this is my natural skin. I have got dark circles and I am working in it. Also, my skin has become pigmented from certain areas. That is why I started taking care of it, because from 1 month I was on break and I couldn't do anything for my skin. So now quickly let's get started and start applying it. So first, every time we need to start with our nose area. And then towards our forehead. Basically, mine is a combination skin type, so I always focus to my T-zone area. And guys, if this applies to your eyebrows, do not worry, because all the ingredients are really safe, so you need not worry about them. And you can also apply it near your under eyes, not exactly under your under eyes, because we have added lemon to it and maybe you can get burning sensation out of lemon. So be very careful, but yeah, you can apply it. Guys, maybe the camera is not capturing it, but this mask is a bit on darker side, so do not worry about it. And now after applying it, we are going to let it sit for around 15 to 20 minutes until it's completely dry. So after about 15 minutes, this is how my face is looking like. As you all can see, my nose area is a bit wet. That is because we had applied a dark layer. Now I'll wash my face and I'll be back. Yeah guys, so washed my face, and as you all can see, this is how my face is looking like. Although I have not got a greater change, but my skin has become so much even tone. Certain things to keep in mind is that if your skin is completely pimple prone, do not forget to add 1 spoon of glycerine into it, because I had applied the mask directly onto my pimple, and as it contained lemon, it was reacting really bad, and my pimple was paining. So keep that in mind. Otherwise guys, this mask is so good. It cools your face within. And also I had washed my face from cold water. If you don't do that, you can use a toner, you can use an ice cube, and you can pack it off. Guys, you can use this mask 3 to 4 times a week. And if you use it continuously for a month, I can write and give it to you. You will see difference. It works on every component of it, works on different things. Certain things help in removing pigmentation. So coffee helps in removing tan. It works as a scrub. Lemon gives an even skin tone. Also, it exfoliates your skin. And talking about sandalwood powder calms down your skin. Multani Mitti gives you an even skin tone. Multani Mitti also absorbs the excess oil from our face. Curd has lactic acid, and I've already made a big video on lactic acid, that is curd, so you can have a look at it. And rose powder, as I told you, that it is known for maintaining the pH level of our skin. So yeah guys, this was my video on today's face mask. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you people never miss out any of my further videos. Thank you.